for this project, you'll need one sheet of 7-count plastic canvas, a pair of scissors and a craft needle, some white and blue yarn, and a third color of choice for the letters. I've chosen a very light blue. So for this pattern, we're going to start by the letters, and I'll leave a link in the description box below of the pattern I used, and you can really place your words anywhere you want on the coaster. You just may need to adjust the size of the snowflakes accordingly. I've started mine in the top left corner. Next, thread your needle with the blue color, and we're just going to use a tent stitch here and fill the entire background. Once that's done, we're going to move on to the snowflakes. So the first step is to tack down your yarn by tucking it under a few stitches at the back, then bring it through to the front where you want to start the bottom of your snowflake. So from the spot you've brought your yarn through, count one hole up and bring it back down to make a single straight stitch. You're going to do this 9 more times going upwards to make a straight line with a total of 10 stitches. Then find the center and make another line horizontally, again with 10 stitches in total, 5 on each side. Now that you've got your T shape, you're going to be making an X shape, except this time with a total of 8 stitches for each line rather than 10. Once that's done, you're going to go to the very top and bring your needle up, then angle it towards the right as if you were doing a regular 10 stitch and bring it back down. Now bring your needle back up through the same hole as last time, but this time angle it towards the left and bring it back down. And you're going to do this every other stitch all the way to the middle, and then switch directions continuing down to the bottom. Then repeat for each line. For the second snowflake, you're going to bring your needle up, then count 2 stitches diagonally towards the right, and bring your needle back down, then do this once more. Now you're going to do this again in the other direction to create an X shape. Now we're going to create a T shape, but it will be 1 stitch longer than the X shape, and that's it for the second snowflake. For the third snowflake, bring your needle up, then count up 4 holes and bring your needle back down. Then make another line of the same size horizontally to create a T shape. Once that's done, just create your X shape, but 1 stitch shorter than the T. And that's it for the third snowflake. The fourth and final snowflake is really simple. You just do a regular 10 stitch and then overlap it with another stitch going in the opposite direction. Now just alternate between these snowflakes and place them all over the coaster wherever you'd like until you're happy with the results, then finish off the border with an overcast stitch. To finish off the back, I just used a piece of cork, cut it to size, and glued it on with a hot glue gun. You can also use a piece of felt or another piece of canvas to do this as well. So that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you did, and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.